Hello, 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 everybody. Happy Tuesday. Hope you all had a good Labor Day weekend. Make sure we're on here. Okay, we're good. Got my baby with me again, so I'm sure she's going to be noisy. Sorry about that. But today's going to be a quick video because it is 2-Minute Tuesday. And so if you have not seen this before, so I think this is the third week I've done this. Kind of fun. I like it. It is basically where I am going to do a project from start to finish. Get my pan over here ready. I'm going to do a project from start to finish, including washing my transfer in 2 minutes or less. And so far I've been doing pretty good the last couple weeks. So hopefully I can do the same. Plus, this project is a sneak peek of the new bundle that is going to be available in my VIP group this afternoon. So if you're not in my VIP group, just comment VIP and I will send you the link to that. The VIP group bundle is this board and pedestal, board and pillar, which can go either direction. And you get 2 sample paste packets. And then you get your choice of an A-size transfer. And I think I have 6 different choices if I remember right. And this is one of them. So if you're interested in grabbing this bundle, comment VIP. Make sure you're in my VIP group. If you're already in my VIP group, you don't need to comment VIP. Just head on over there a little bit after lunchtime. And I will have those available. And I have a lot of them. So there's no need to worry about them selling out right now. Okay, are you ready, Caroline? Yeah? All right, so let's get started. If you're just tuning in, say hi. It's 2-Minute Tuesday. We are doing a project from start to finish in less than 2 minutes, including washing my transfer. So I should probably get a paper towel ready, right? And I forgot my little timer in the house, so I'm just going to go by the clock that I have up on my wall. And I'm going to be doing the joyful transfer with red and gold, which might be a little bit daring for 2 minutes, but we are gonna go for it. Hello, hello, Lorelei. Did I say that right? I hope so. All right, let's see if I can do this without my baby fussing. Hey everyone, hey, thanks for tuning in. It is 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm gonna get started here in about 30 seconds. So if you're just tuning in, I'm doing a project from start to finish. Laura Lee. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so project from 2 minutes, in 2 minutes from start to finish, including washing my transfer. Are we ready? Okay. We got 4 seconds. Ready, set, go. You guys can time me too. I usually get a little crazy on 2-Minute Tuesday and I shake the camera really bad, so I'm really sorry because I'm just like going to town. Here we go. And I'm not going to read comments yet until afterwards. This one's a little trickier because it's like, I got to be careful. I can't just go over the whole thing. I could, but then that wouldn't be as cute, right? So my goal is usually to get this part done, the pasting part done, in 1 minute. And then have a minute for everything else. I'm just going to do that little part in red because it's kind of tricky. I should have you guys time me instead. And the gold. I love red and gold, red and silver at the holidays. Yeah, okay. I need this thing. We are at, I think, 1.5 minutes already. Am I gonna make it, guys? I don't know if I'm gonna make it today. There we go. Okay, peel it off. Ta-da! And wash it. Oh, I have 15 seconds. Wash the transfer. And, oh, that was 2 minutes. I'm a little over. Dang it. Wash the front, wash the back, put it back on the backer. Okay, so that one was, I wasn't paying attention to the clock. I think that was 2 minutes and 15 seconds. I think that was 2 minutes and 15 seconds. That's still pretty good, guys. It's still pretty good. I'm not like upset with that or anything. Hello, hello. I really, hold on. My phone clamp is in the way. I'm gonna try and read your comment. I really want to do this, but I don't have any friends. Well, you could do it by yourself. Do it by yourself. I don't ever get together with my friends hardly ever anymore anyway. Either. Now that I work from home, it's like I never see any people. No adults. But yeah, you can do it by yourself. It's totally cool. It's fun. I don't know if, are you in the Kansas City area? If you are, let me know, because I'm going to be having some public workshops where you can just like come, like drop in. If you're not, there might be some in your area. Hold on, I'm washing my transfers. I'm washing my squeegees because I'm going to be good about it. Because the last project I did, I just left my squeegees and now they're all crusty. So I'm going to wash those. So I guess it's 3 minutes. If you count cleaning the squeegees and getting those put back in. All right, so that's done. And then you've got your pillar. If I can get it in there. There we go. Ta-da! Isn't that cute? You're in Pennsylvania. Look around because I don't know if you can do like a search on Facebook or Google, or how would you would find them. But there's a lot of people that do public workshops in like boutiques and coffee shops and stuff like that, where you can just come and do your project and you don't have to have your own group necessarily. So, or you can just do it by yourself, which is what I do. I do it by myself here with Caroline, right, sweetie? Yeah, I got my almost 9-month-old here with me. She's just hanging out. Alrighty, guys. That is all I have for you today. So if you are interested in this board and pillar bundle, it is going to be available in my VIP group, probably around lunchtime. I'm going to try and get it done sooner, though. And Caroline, oh my goodness. There are 2 different paste colors. You can choose 2 different paste colors. The only paste colors we don't have the shimmer gold and silver colors in the sample size, but any other colors you can get. And then there's, I think, 6 different transfer choices that you can get with that bundle. And then it comes with the board and pillar, which goes either direction. So if you choose a vertical or a horizontal one, it doesn't matter. And it is washable. So after Christmas, I can wipe this off, put something else on it, and call it good. So thank you everybody for tuning in today. Thanks for watching 2 Minute Tuesday. I was a little over today. Wah wah. 2 minute and 15 Tuesday. And if you need my VIP group link, comment VIP and I will get you in there if you're interested in purchasing one of these bundles. And I think that's about it. So thank you everyone for tuning in. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow night at some point. I'm making a really cute porch sign, so make sure you're here tomorrow night. Bye.